In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become eligible to send payments to a Recipients Payoneer account. Whether you're new to Payoneer or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive in and get you set up. First and foremost, you'll need to head over to the Payoneer website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Payoneer homepage. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you'll need to create one. As you're creating your account, or if you're updating your existing one, be sure to input the correct name and email address. This information is crucial because it ensures that your identity is verified and all communications from Payoneer reach you without any hiccups. Now, moving on to the next important detail, your line of business. It's essential that you accurately fill in this section with the correct details about your business operations. Why, you ask? Well, Payoneer uses this information to understand your business needs better and to ensure compliance with their regulations, which is a key factor in being eligible to send payments. Next up is your address. Double-check this information for accuracy, as having the correct address is not only necessary for your account verification, but also for any potential checks or communications you might receive from Payoneer. A mismatched address could delay your eligibility status, so it's worth taking the time to make sure it's spot on. After that, make sure your phone numbers are up to date and correct. This is crucial because Payoneer may need to contact you for verification purposes, and having the right contact number on file ensures you won't miss any important calls regarding your account status. Once you've completed all these steps, your part is mostly done. Now, it's time for a little patience. Typically, Payoneer will take about 2 to 3 days to validate your account. During this time, they'll review all the information you've provided to ensure everything is in order. If all goes well, you'll receive confirmation of your eligibility to send payments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming eligible to send payments via Payoneer. Remember, accuracy is key, and a little patience goes a long way. If you ever find yourself stuck or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Payoneer's customer support for assistance. They're there to help ensure your experience is as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Payoneer transactions.